to remove TikTok Shop from your profile. So let's get started. So if you want to remove TikTok Shop from your profile, so to do that what you can do is just simply open up your TikTok application, and after opening up your TikTok application just tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right. And after doing that, now in order to remove your TikTok Shop, what you have to do is just simply switch your TikTok account from business to personal. So some options are only available in business account, and one of those options is TikTok Shop. So if you have a business, then basically you should have a shop. So if you don't have a business account, then you will not have it. So what you can do is just simply go ahead and change it. So if you'll just tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right, then you will find this business suite option. Now if you want to remove every business from your TikTok, just simply tap on the settings and privacy option and then tap on account. After tapping on account, now what you can do is just simply tap on switch to personal account and then switch your account to personal. And after switching it, now if you'll just come back and then again tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right, then you will not find the business suite option or any TikTok shop in TikTok. So that's it guys, this is how to remove TikTok Shop from your profile. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.